Mirrorless cameras have revolutionized the world of photography, offering a blend of innovation and versatility that appeals to a wide range of users. Unlike traditional DSLRs, these cameras are lighter, more compact, and often feature advanced technology that enhances image quality and creative control. Beginners are drawn to their intuitive interfaces and portability, making it easier to learn and experiment. At the same time, professionals appreciate the high performance and adaptability that mirrorless systems provide, enabling them to push the boundaries of their craft. This transformative shift has opened new possibilities for photographers at every level. Mirrorless cameras are renowned for their lightweight and compact design, making them an ideal choice for photographers on the move. Their reduced size allows for easy packing and carrying, whether you're exploring a bustling city or traveling to remote destinations. This portability encourages greater freedom and spontaneity, enabling photographers to capture fleeting moments without the burden of heavy gear. For travel and street photography, the discreet profile of mirrorless cameras also helps in blending into the environment, allowing for more natural and candid shots. Modern mirrorless cameras are equipped with advanced autofocus systems that combine speed and accuracy. These systems use sophisticated algorithms and sensor technologies to quickly lock onto subjects, even in challenging lighting conditions. By tracking movement in real time, they allow photographers to capture fleeting moments with remarkable precision. This reliability gives users the confidence to shoot dynamic scenes, knowing that their images will remain sharp and well-focused. As a result, mirrorless cameras have become a popular choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The electronic viewfinder offers a real-time preview of your camera's exposure settings, allowing you to see exactly how changes will affect your image before you take the shot. This immediate feedback helps photographers make informed adjustments to brightness, contrast, and color balance on the fly. By visualizing the final result in advance, you gain greater creative control over your compositions. This feature is especially useful in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring that your photos turn out just as you envision them. Silent shooting mode is a standout feature in many mirrorless cameras, allowing photographers to capture images without the audible click of a shutter. This capability is particularly valuable in situations where discretion is essential, such as during wedding ceremonies or while photographing wildlife. By minimizing noise, photographers can avoid drawing attention or disturbing their subjects. This not only preserves the natural atmosphere, but also enables more candid and authentic moments to be captured. As a result, silent shooting mode has become an indispensable tool for professionals working in sensitive environments. In summary, mirrorless cameras offer several compelling advantages, including lighter bodies, faster autofocus, and advanced electronic viewfinders. These features provide photographers with greater flexibility and improved performance in a wide range of shooting conditions. By embracing mirrorless technology, photographers can experiment with new techniques and push the boundaries of their creativity. The transition to mirrorless systems opens up exciting opportunities to capture images in ways that were previously challenging or impossible. As the technology continues to evolve, it promises to shape the future of photography for both enthusiasts and professionals alike.